Step 1. Clean up dust and debris from the machine with a vacuum cleaner. Step 2. Wipe down the linear shafts and ball screws on the X, Y, and Z axes with a lint-free cloth. For the Y-axis, be sure to power off the machine and lay it on its side before cleaning. Step 3. Apply lubricating grease to the linear shafts and ball screws of the X, Y, and Z axes. Then traverse each axis to ensure even distribution of the grease. For Y-axis grease application, first power off the equipment and lay it on its side. After grease application, place the equipment back to its upright position, restore power, and traverse the axis to spread the grease evenly.